Wow. Rejected. Okay, guys. So today we're doing. Well, that kind of hurt my heart. Today we're doing. Uh, oh my god. So today we are going to do an update. Oh my god, I feel bad. Okay, so the update. It's over here. Okay. Okay, that was so mean though. Hyenas are here, guys. So happy. I was going in to buy one, but they don't look as cool as they look in the pictures, okay? They look really weird, but I guess that's a cartoon hyena for you. Summer Carnival's here. Whoop whoop. Get all those tickets from last year that you couldn't throw away and use them now. That's what I did. We got bargain sales. And then they're reminding you that there's a cruise ship party. I bought this. By the way, guys, can someone by the way, guys, this it's the same thing as any other one, okay? There's like no difference except for it's on the floor. Just telling you that now. I thought there was something special, and I wasted like a whole diamond. By the way, Animal Jam, really? Are you seriously that lazy? Okay. This was a present. This is the spirit armor, which was a present for all members 1 year. And they're bringing it back, which I think is stupid, you know, and stuff. And also, once you lock your den, people will get kicked out. And now if you add someone, it pops up. Accept it. Be my friend. Why doesn't it be my friend? Okay, now it's gonna work. So now it's buffering and it pops up like this. And I don't know what that got messed up, but yeah. So that I guess it's okay. It just I don't know. And so and also, how am I supposed to read this? That's pretty much it. Yeah. So Jammer Hug and stuff. I'm sorry. I'm trying to think about something to say. Jammer Hug. You are awesome, peoples, jammers. Rock on. Swag. YOLO. Bye!